Hi, today I'm making an easy glazed carrot recipe. I had a subscriber ask me how you make glazed carrots, and so I thought I would show the very simple way to make them. So we're going to begin with about 2 pounds of carrots. I've gotten the smaller ones that I really like for holidays because they just look beautiful. I'm taking a cup of granulated sugar and a half a cup of butter, not margarine. And I'm going to transfer my carrots into my stock pot. I'm adding about a quart and a half of water and my cup of sugar. Next, I'm adding that half a cup of butter. And I'm going to turn on my heat to just begin to let the carrots bubble. And, stir it around to make sure the sugar and butter is mixed with the water. And I'm going to just let it cook from there. It's going to cook low and slow. If you find you have too much water, you can pour a little bit off so that the carrots will continue to cook down and they'll glaze, right? They'll become shiny and the butter will melt and the sugar. And when it's done, which is about an hour and 15 minutes, you can top it with parsley. This is a great side for Easter or for other holidays.